Welcome to Better Ways of Life. Do you know the power of greeting everyone? Let's know the benefits of greeting everyone. You should greet everyone with a smile. Whenever you meet someone, greet them with a smile. Most of us used to do this, but the fact is, we greet only the people who are loved by us with a smile. A smile which comes because we are happy to meet them. At times, we greet the people we meet with a fake smile because we don't know very well about them. Everything is okay, but I'm telling to greet everyone. That means we should greet even the people we hate or the people who hate us with a smile. Yes, that is true. We have to greet not only our friends but also our enemies with a smile. This is not for fun but for an important reason. When we do so, there are two possible things that can happen. First of all, if the person is good, she may feel sorry for what she had done to you and stops doing evil to you after that, so that you can be happy. Secondly, if the person is very good, she may feel sorry for what she had done to you and stops disturbing others, but also starts talking to you in a friendly manner. If this happens, you have to speak with her in a friendly manner so that both of you can be happy and you can get a good friend. You know, enemies who becomes friends will have a strong friendship because they know each other from both sides, friendship and enemy. But if the person is bad, she won't feel sorry, but she stops doing evil to you. However, the benefit of greeting everyone with a smile is for you. Either you can be happy without any disturbance, or you'll get a good friend. Whatever it is, you can enjoy your life. And you can be a person who is liked by everyone. It not only has these benefits, but also people around you thinks good of you. So, always greet everyone with a smile. Everyone. Follow this to get a better life. Have a wonderful life. Thank you.